Hello everyone, welcome back. Take a look at this oil. This rich golden mixture you are seeing right here is not just another DIY oil. It's a powerful blend of ingredients that target the root causes of hair loss, breakage and slow growth. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, the science behind each ingredient, and how you can use it properly to start seeing real results. If your hair have been falling too much, breaking easily, or refusing to grow no matter what you try, then stay with me because this might be what your hair have been missing. But before we go deeper, I want you to do something for me. Drop a comment below and tell me what is your biggest hair problem right now. Let's start with the first ingredient, red onion. Now I know this smell is not pleasant, but when it comes to hair growth, onions are one of the most powerful natural ingredients you can use. Onions are rich in sulfur, and sulfur plays a very important role in the production of keratin. Keratin is the protein that makes up your hair. So when your scalp lacks sulfur, your hair becomes weak, thin, and very easy to break. That is why many people experience constant breakage, not because their hair is not going, but because it's not strong enough to survive. Onion helps to fix that. It strengthens the hair from the roots and improves the structure of your strand. If your scalp is clogged with dirt, oil buildup, or bacteria, your hair follicles cannot function properly. It's like trying to plant seed in bad soil. Nothing will grow. Now I want to ask you something. Have you ever tried onion on your hair before? If yes, tell me your experience in the comments. Now let's move to the next ingredient, rosemary. Rosemary is one of the few natural ingredients that have a scientific backing when it comes to hair growth. It works as a vasodilator. That means it helps to increase blood circulation to your scalp. And when blood flow increases, more oxygen and nutrients are delivered directly to your hair follicles. This is very important because your follicles need nutrients to grow stronger. Now listen carefully. If your hair is not growing even after using different oils, then you might be missing this one thing, proper blood circulation. And that is exactly what rosemary helps to improve. Now let's talk about clove. If your hair has been shedding a lot, this is the ingredient you need to pay attention to. Cloves act as a natural stimulant. They increase blood flow quickly and help strengthen the roots of your hair. Think of your hair like a tree. If the roots are weak, the tree will easily fall. This is exactly what happens when your hair sheds too much. Cloves help to tighten and strengthen the base of your hair follicles, which means your hair is less likely to fall out, and that is why many people notice reduced shedding within a short time of using clove. But there is something you need to understand. Cloves are very strong. Using too much can irritate your scalp. Now moving on to cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon works in a very unique way. It creates a gentle warming effect on your scalp, and the warmth helps to stimulate your hair follicles. It wakes them up, especially if your hair has been slow growing or completely stagnant. Cinnamon also helps to remove buildup from your scalp. Things like excess oil, dead skin can block your follicles, and when that happens, your hair cannot grow properly. So cinnamon helps to gently cleanse your scalp while also boosting circulation. Now let's talk about bay leaves. This is one ingredient that most people overlook, but it's very powerful. Bay leaves are excellent for treating scalp issues like dandruff, itching, and flaking. If your scalp is always irritated, it can slow down your hair growth. Bay leaves have antifungal properties that help fight infection on the scalp, and when your scalp is healthy, your hair grows better. They also help to improve overall appearance of your hair by adding shine. So your hair does not just grow, it also looks healthier. Now let's talk about the base of this mixture, olive oil. Olive oil plays a very important role. It helps to lock in moisture, and moisture is key when it comes to preventing breakage. Dry hair break easily, but where moisturized hair is stronger and more flexible. Olive oil also contains vitamins and antioxidants that nourish your hair, but one of the most important things it does is this. It helps to carry all the nutrients from the ingredients directly into your scalp. So when we infuse everything together, the oil becomes a powerful delivery system. Now as we move into the preparation, I want you to pay close attention because this is where many people made mistake. Start by chopping your onion. Onion also has antibacterial properties, which means it helps to clean your scalp. So onion acts like a detox for your scalp, cleaning the way for healthy hair growth. Add your clove, rosemary, cinnamon sticks, and bay leaf. Rosemary helps to reduce the effect of DHT on your scalp. So instead of your hair follicles shrinking, they stay active and healthy. It also helps to wake up weak and dormant hair follicles. So if you have tiny hedge or bad spots, this is very important. Then pour your olive oil. Now we are going to use a double boiler method. This is very important. Do not fry the ingredients. You only need gentle heat because high heat can destroy nutrients, but low heat helps to slowly extract all the benefit into the oil, so be patient with the process. Let it infuse for about 30 to 45 minutes. After eating, allow the oil to cool down completely, then strain it slowly. Now your oil is ready. When it comes to using this oil, consistency is everything. Apply it to your scalp about 3 to 4 times a week. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. This helps to boost blood circulation even more. You can leave it overnight or at least 1 hour before washing. If you use this oil regularly, you start to notice less shedding, less dandruff, less itching, stronger hair, and a shinier, healthy hair. Now, before I end this video, I want you to do something important. When you start using this oil, come back and share your result in the comments. Your experience might help someone who is struggling, and if you have questions, drop them too. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.